Dreaming of a Factory, Dream Interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today we explore the profound meaning behind dreaming of a factory. In the quiet hours of the night, this industrial setting emerges not as a random image, but as a powerful symbol of creation, productivity, and the machinery of your inner world. Psychologically, a factory in a dream often represents your mind's systematic processing of thoughts, emotions, and life experiences. It reflects how you are manufacturing your reality, turning raw emotions and ideas into tangible outcomes. If you see assembly lines, it may indicate repetitive patterns in your daily life or a sense of being stuck in a monotonous routine. Broken or idle machinery can symbolize feelings of burnout, creative block, or unresolved emotional friction. Spiritually, factories connect to the concept of transformation. They are places where raw materials are converted into finished goods, mirroring how your soul transforms challenges into wisdom. A clean, orderly factory suggests you are in harmony with your life's purpose, efficiently turning dreams into reality. In contrast, a chaotic, noisy factory may warn of stress, overwork, or a need to pause and realign your priorities. Pay attention to specific elements. If you are a worker, you might feel undervalued or overburdened. If you are an observer, you could be evaluating your own productivity. The type of goods produced matters too. Textiles symbolize weaving together experiences, while machinery parts suggest fragmentation. Ultimately, a factory dream invites you to examine the systems you have built in your waking life. Are they serving your growth, or are they limiting your freedom? By decoding these symbols, you gain insight into your work-life balance, hidden potential, and the need for renewal. Remember, every dream is a mirror reflecting your inner factory, where you are both the engineer and the creator.